Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy the Turbos Finance tokens. Now Turbos Finance is the leading decentralized exchange on SUI network, and SUI network is doing a pretty decent job. Now SUI is one of the leading L1 right now in this bull market, which is in comparison with Solana, and I personally feel that SUI during the next bull run might outperform Solana and overtake other major L1s. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now, if we talk about Turbos Finance, it's sitting around 7.7 million US dollars market cap at the time of making this video with a maximum supply of around 10 billion turbos. Now, you can buy Turbos Finance on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. Now, you can buy Turbos Finance on Bybit. Now, if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505 at the time of sign up. Now, once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now, once you create an account on Bybit, you will either need to buy USDT on Bybit centralized exchange or maybe transfer it from some other wallet or from some other centralized exchange. Now, simply head to trade, click on spot, and over here you will need to click on this and search for turbos to USDT pair. Now simply go ahead and select turbos to USDT. You can do the similar thing on your mobile phone as well. Now there are two types of order if you want to go ahead and buy turbos. One is a market order and one is a limit order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy turbos tokens at the current market price, which is around this. And limit meaning, let's say if you want to buy this at, let's say 0.003, because the current price is around this, and simply go ahead and put the amount of USDT, let's say 1000 USDT if you want to buy. So it will approximately give you this amount of Turbos tokens. Now what will happen is Bybit will wait for the price of Turbos Finance tokens to fall to 0.003, and then your order would be executed and then you would be getting Turbos in your Bybit spot account. So this was with regards to the centralized exchange. Now let's say if you want to buy it on a decentralized exchange. Now Turbos Finance being a decentralized exchange itself, you can buy these Turbos tokens on their platform. So simply go ahead and launch Turbos Finance decentralized exchange and go ahead and connect your SUI wallet. Now in this case, you will need to transfer some SUI from centralized exchange or from some other SUI wallet to your SUI wallet. Now as you can see, I have already connected my SUI wallet and I have around 420 SUI in my SUI wallet right now. Now let's say if I want to go ahead and swap like 100 SUI for turbos, then it will calculate the best rate. So as per the current exchange rate, I am getting around 55,892 turbos tokens, and the price is fair and there is not much of price impact and slippage tolerance. So once you go ahead and click on trade, then your order would be executed in 10 to 15 seconds, and then Turbos Finance would be reflected in your SUI wallet. Now please note that you will need to keep some SUI in your SUI wallet for paying the gas fees for any transaction that you do on Turbos Finance or any other decentralized exchange. Now I am not going ahead and buying turbos because I already have a lot of turbos in my SUI wallet. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy this Turbos Finance tokens, and this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.